Yes, greetings. Welcome to our lesson 4, layering and dimensioning. So we are going to have our lesson 4.1 and lesson 4.2. The first will cover the layer 1, layering. So our objective, and the second one is going to cover on dimensioning. So expect that you should have a lesson 4.1 and lesson 4.2. So objective is create new layer, assign layer color and line type. So this is our interface. So we have the layer toolbar, and then on the toolbar, layers toolbar, you proceed to having the following. You have the following layers: red, purple, magenta, and then you have the blue, and you have the green. So we proceed to layer. A layer is that in layer we aim for the following. We want to make our drawings distinguishable or separable. So we are going to do the following in layering, coloring, line types, and line weight. So we are going to create 3 layers: the object layer, the center layer, and the dimension layer. So, how do we create a new layer? There is this icon, and there is this one that with a star. This one for helping us to create the new layer, but this one is just to help us now to go to section whereby we can create the layers. And then we have here the layer name. Give it a name. So the layer properties manager. So this icon creates a new layer. This icon help us to create current layer. And then once you click on the new one, you give it a name. Then you have other like freezing. Then you have others where we create the line type, the line weight. Remember the line weight is about thick or thickness, thinness. So then anything you do, you click OK. But remember, for any layer you create, remember, and you want to use it, remember to create the green color to make it the current layer. So for the color types, so you go to section called color, and then you click OK. So for the line weight, remember you're going to have the different line weights and thicknesses. Then remember also to click OK. So for the line type, likewise, but here you must load them so that there's a section called loading so that you know which layer you want to use. So for dimensioning, I'm going just to demonstrate, but work on this dimensioning part. Also on dimensioning, work on this one. But remember, properties of dimensioning is that you can have the arrows and then the lines, and also the length, and also there is how you dimension. For example, in dimensioning, you can have a linear. A linear is for linear, a line is for angles, and then radius, diameter, and angular, and all these. So allow me now to take you through the section, but I would say the following: like, share, subscribe, but continue practicing. And also there is some work which I have assigned you. Part 1, there is that work, question 1, 2, 3. There is also another assignment, part 1, 2, kindly. And also you have the instructions, you can see. So, and also you have that other part. Do the following. Kindly perform that, and the submission requirements. So, and the assessment criteria. So let me take you to AutoCAD so that I demonstrate on some of these command. So remember to activate snap, grid, ortho, and also the model. So that one. So come to this section whereby we say we have the layer. Click on that. You have that one. click on this one to create a new layer. So I'll be fast. So this one you can call it dimension. I'm going just to show you with the dimensions that. Then you go to color, you can click magenta. Yes, okay. Then dimension, that is the one, the line type remains that. Then I can choose object, object line. So this one needs to be, the line weight should be thick, that way. So, and then I assign it a color, let's say that. And then we can have, having done that, so we click, if I want now to use the object, I click object and then I click this one, current. So I click OK. So I come draw. So I click enter. So I come now to the next one. If now I want to dimension this one, I come to again to this icon, then I click dimension, then I set it as current, I click OK. So I come to this section called dimension. So I click on linear, specify the first point, the other point, I drag it upwards, then again I pick on this, having set it as current, then the other section, then I drag. So let me exit on that. So there's something that's not adding. So I click on that, then. So at least we have assigned a line. So for example, if we have a circle, that one. So if you want now maybe to assign it a dimension or some dimension, you go to dimension, then not aligned, but the diameter, then we select it, then we have it as that. So I hope I have managed to demonstrate how to do a dimensioning in Angular and in Aligned. And I've also managed to show you how to create a layer. So I hope that if you are going to perform what I have just demonstrated and also do the assignments. So any query, raise it to our YouTube channel and also perform the work. So kindly remember, practice makes perfect. Remember to also to share, like, and subscribe. So I have been your trainer, Mr. Ngige. So kindly practice before our next lesson. So thank you very much.